Oh, oh, there it is. Hey guys, it's me again, Paul P. Welcome to my rice dispenser. As you can see, today's episode will be trying to correct that Chinese style egg fried rice that Mr. Roger, or yeah, Uncle Roger said on YouTube. And aside from that, we will be making another Filipino Chinese dish called Lumpia Shanghai. And all of this will be done today. So, let's start with the lumpia. See ya. Have more rice. Okay guys, so we're here in the dining table. First of all, I want to show you this. This is rice that I cooked. If your measurement is supposed to be to your first knuckle, I went just below it, so that's a bit dry rice. Aside from that, this is actually yesterday's rice. I'm just letting it harden and cool some more here, or dry out some more here. And FYI, I'm wearing the headband because my hair is long already. So, this will be for our fried rice. You wash the rice, you cook it just below the amount that you need it, and actually it's going to be really somewhat hard and dry, but it's still supple enough that you can eat it as is, but it's perfect for fried rice the next day. So this is actually the next day, fried rice. Oh, steamed rice. So after that, we'll move on to our Lumpia Shanghai. Here I have ground pork, which is at 60% meat, 40% fat. To this, we will add a bit of hoisin sauce. One egg. Make sure the shell's not in there. Perfect. Some white pepper and salt. And then we have to have grated turnip and grated carrot. We will have to squeeze this dry first. There. Get as much moisture out of it, because we don't need the moisture. Same thing with the turnip. Squeeze. Also known as singkamas in the Philippines. Turnip juice, turnip pulp and carrot pulp in here, and we will mix this thoroughly by hand. Remember to break it up. And then we will let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while we do our rice. Then after that, we will wrap this all up in rice paper and deep fry. Okay guys, our mixture is done. We'll set this aside, and then while our rice is cooking, we will wrap this. So, see ya. I don't want to touch my lens. Okay, here in my pan I have garlic, cooking oil, and Chinese sausage. I'm sorry I forgot to turn the camera on record for this, but here it is. It's just basically garlic and Chinese sausage. Okay, saute this till it's almost brown. Then we will add in our rice. There, look at that. Add all the rice at once. And then stir fry. Make sure you incorporate all the garlic and all the oil onto the rice, and that Chinese chorizo will flavor it so much. There. Then we will add in our eggs. We will be using a total of 4 eggs. We'll drop it all at once and stir fry as fast as we can. Break up all the yolks and mix it with the rice. Look at that. At first it will look gloopy and really wet, but as the egg cooks, it will slowly be what I call this, a flaky or fluffy rice. Trust me, it just takes time to cook it. Look at that. At this point, we will now season it with salt. Just salt. Nice pinch of salt. There. And continue stir frying this until the mixture is nice and dry. Like that. You'll notice this later on when the rice isn't clumped together anymore. It means all the egg has been completely cooked. Yes, it takes time, just keep on stirring. Make sure that you get every single grain toasty. Okay guys, look at this now. Look, it's already fluffy as it is. Look, it's like as light as snow. It's now light as snow, and that's it. That is our Chinese egg fried rice. Okay, let's move on to our lumpia. See ya. Okay guys, it seems that every time I shoot these days, the weirder and weirder my hair gets. So that's okay. What's important is the quality of the food. So here, I'll show you how to wrap the Lumpia Shanghai. This is the lumpia wrapper that I got from the mini mart we have here. Get some water. Lightly soak one side. Well, actually it's a circle, so this area, this much. Then you get a bit of your meat in this corner. Try to shape it to a log as much as possible. Then you roll it once, twice, fold this way, then roll it all the way to the edge. The water will act as a sealant so that it won't break open when you're frying it. Okay, we'll do one more, then we'll continue with cooking this on the stove. There. Again, get a bit of your water. Wet this area. Scoop some of your lumpia mixture. A bit more. There. Shape it into a log. Fold once, twice, fold in the sides, then roll it up completely. Yes, I know these are gonna be huge lumpia Shanghai, but I'm a big person. I like my lumpia Shanghai big. Okay, so I'll continue wrapping these and I'll show you when I fry it. See ya! Guys, so I finished cooking. Look at the beautiful rice. I hope this passes Uncle Roger's test. It's actually very fluffy. If you notice when I was cooking it, at first it looked gloppy because of the eggs, but the longer you cook it in the pan, each rice grain actually gets coated with the egg, so that when you cook the egg in the rice, it actually separates into individual grains. That's why it gets kind of fluffy. See? Yes. So first we'll give a try of the rice. I don't want to touch this one because this one is kind of plated already, And that will be for my mom. Here, look at this. Focus, focus. We'll give this one a try. You can really taste the egg. That Chinese chorizo, magnificent. And that garlicky taste. I didn't add anything else. It's just garlic, chorizo, and the egg, and just a bit of salt. Not even pepper. It looks like what I used to order in a Chinese restaurant here in the Philippines. And it's really eggy. Okay? So next we will try the Lumpia Shanghai. You know what? The best dip for this is actually sweet and sour sauce. But for me, I like it sweet chili sauce. So I'll give this one a try. Look at that. Nice and crispy. Can you hear that? That's crispy. We'll give this one a try. The outside is super crispy. The inside is cooked perfectly. That texture from the carrots and the turnip and the flavor of that hoisin with just a bit of salt. Mwah. And it's actually really dense inside because of that egg. This would have been better with some sweet chili sauce. So I think that's the end of this vlog. I'll continue eating this with my mom later for dinner. But for now, I'm happy that you guys learned how to make Chinese style fried rice. It's actually easy. It's also known as golden fried rice. And if you are more of a healthy eater, you can actually add more vegetables to this. Sad to say I'm not a healthy eater, so no veggies for me. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Paul Always Gutom Never Busog, on Twitter at Paul Always Gutom, and on Facebook at Always Gutom Never Busog. So till next vlog, tara, kain tayo, and see you in my, where was it? Oh yeah, my rice storage bin. Bye bye.